Is it hot? Are you cooking me some mushrooms?
Yes. I can cook my mushroom.
Oh, thank you.
And you can eat the food.
Okay, I can eat it. Thank you.
Yes.
Oh, I like my mushroom. Thank you, Gia. Yum, yum.
Welcome, Dad.
Is the soup good? Did you taste the soup?
Okay?
Okay.
Put it
All right.
in the kitchen. On the put it in. Wait. Get a soup. It's so hot. Okay?
Uh-oh.
Got mushroom. Okay?
Okay.
No mushroom. Okay?
Okay. Cook me some mushroom soup.